Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will discuss a most important topic, serpentine belt. The serpentine belt is also known as a drive belt. We will go over the symptoms of a bad serpentine belt so you can catch issues early and avoid costly repairs. Let's get started. So what exactly is a serpentine belt? Well, serpentine belt is a single continuous belt that keeps your engine's components running in sync. It powers vital systems like the alternator, power steering pump, water pump, and air conditioning compressor. Now let's get into the meat of today's topic, symptoms of a bad serpentine belt. Let's discuss the most common symptoms. Noises. A bad serpentine belt can make a high-pitched chirping or screeching sound, especially when you start the car or accelerate. A high-pitched squealing sound often occurs when the serpentine belt is slipping on the pulleys due to wear, misalignment, or improper tension. 2. Power steering and AC issues. The serpentine belt powers several critical components, including the power steering pump and the air conditioning compressor. If the belt is damaged or broken, these systems won't receive the necessary power to operate, leading to their failure. 3. Check engine light. The serpentine belt drives the alternator, which charges the vehicle's battery. As the belt becomes faulty, the alternator can't generate electricity, causing the battery to discharge. This triggers the check engine light or battery light on your dashboard. 4. Visible wear and tear. Over time, the serpentine belt can develop cracks, fray, or become glazed due to constant exposure to heat, friction, and tension. These signs of wear indicate that the belt is deteriorating and may soon fail. Loss of power. A failing serpentine belt may lead a loss of power because it drives multiple accessories that are essential for the vehicle's performance. Without a properly functioning belt, these components can't operate efficiently, which may lead to a noticeable drop in power and performance. 6. Overheating engine. The serpentine belt drives the water pump, which circulates coolant throughout the engine to maintain proper operating temperature. If the belt fails, the water pump stops working, causing the engine to overheat due to the lack of coolant circulation. 7. Engine starting issues. A bad serpentine belt can impair the alternator's ability to charge the battery properly. This can result in a weak battery, making it difficult to start the engine. Vibrations. A misaligned or damaged serpentine belt can cause uneven tension and improper engagement with the pulleys. This results in vibrations that can be felt in the engine or even through the vehicle's cabin. And there you have it, folks. Keeping an eye out for these symptoms can save you a lot of hassle and keep your car running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more automotive tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next.